Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 2-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home at 26 O'Brien in Harbor Crossings. Harbor Crossings is a land lease community based in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. So this is one of our brand new homes. We'll take a little look around the house real quick. You can see this house comes equipped with outside water and electric. Got one outlet there and the faucet over here. There's another outlet right between these steps. These are custom steps. Now we'll take a look inside. So this house has vinyl flooring throughout. You can see this island right here. It's laminate countertop. There's all stainless steel appliances in here. They're all warranty through the manufacturer. You can see the windows in this house bring in a lot of light, and those are thermal pane windows, which makes this house very energy efficient and contributes to the Energy Star certification that this house has. So here you can see the fridge, side-by-side doors, fridge on the right, freezer on the left. Here we've got the dishwasher. Backsplash. Right behind we have this island. There is adjustable shelving in all of the cabinets. You can see there's this slow close on the cabinet doors. So you can see it again. There's no slamming shut. Everything's nice and quiet. That backsplash I was talking about. Got sort of this really nice like robin's egg blue. Here's the farm sink. And there's an adjustable nozzle on the faucet for the sink. Got microwave, oven, stove combination. You can see the inside of the oven. Also have a heating tray here. I also really like these cabinets right here because they are so deep, so they sort of act as this like pantry right next to the kitchen. So you can put snacks, spices and whatnot in there. This is the back door. Here is the electrical panel. Now this is just like a regular house, so it's 100 amps, and everything on there is labeled. This is the washer and dryer area, so side by side there with the cabinetry above. Here we have the bathroom. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower. You can also see that there's a little skylight right above, so it brings in a little bit more natural light into that bathroom. And this is the bedroom. Both the bedrooms and living room come equipped with cable TV jacks, as you can see in the corner down there. Now we'll take a look at the closet. Comes with a wire rack on the top, and here are 2 screens that we provide you. On the other side, you can see here is the whole house shutoff valve. And right behind the door here, we have the water heater. This is a 40-gallon water heater. And now we'll take a look at the other bedroom. Before we go there, we can take a look at the furnace right here. Now I really like these furnaces because they have this really easy to replace filter. This furnace is responsible for the forced hot air in the house and the central air conditioning. Here you can see this bathroom has a tub, and just as the previous one, it's one-piece fiberglass. And this is the second bedroom. And right in the corner here, you have the closet. Now, if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses we have, please go to www.myhomeinharbor.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to potentially owning one of these homes yourself. Thank you.
Crossings is a Dolan Homes community owned by the Dolan family, a small family business. We've been in operation for almost 40 years now. This is Robert Dolan, who is the managing member of Dolan Homes. We build innovative, quality manufactured homes in our 3 New Jersey communities: in Edison Mobile Estates, Harbor Crossings, and Countertop Park. This is my husband, my nephew, and my son. This is our amazing crew. Everyone's on board to build you the most beautiful manufactured home. This is our maintenance team in Harbor Crossings. This is our construction team. Safe location for having a home, making it affordable. Harbor Crossings pays the real estate taxes, so you're leasing the land, and we're building beautiful manufactured homes. This is my husband and myself. This is our office fronting Blackhorse Turnpike. You can email us for an appointment. We see everybody by appointment only. This is our office. We have everybody go to the website where all the explanations, the process, and the available homes are listed. We're really proud of our location. We're in the downtown Egg Harbor Township area, just about to be redeveloped, which is called the Cardiff Redevelopment. It's going to encompass the whole area in which we are located, and they'll be adding more sidewalks and better access to stores on the other side where the old Moscow's and the Harbor Square is located. And it's a very exciting time to be in Egg Harbor Township. We're minutes from the beaches and great locations, so come check us out. Can't wait to hear from you.